It is Saturday. We got Ian Schoenlever leading us on a ride out to Coyote Canyon. I've never been there. Not exactly sure where it is. It's going to be kind of fun playing follow the leader today. Got 7 of us. We're just at the top of Glen Oaks or just outside of Temecula. Getting ready to head down into Sage. And from there, I don't know where we're going. This will be fun. Beautiful day. Fun trails today. I'm a little behind. I pulled the old drone out. It's been a while. We got some nice drone footage. Whoa, that's pretty deep. Got some nice drone footage of everybody riding. Oh, I believe it. Oh. This is like perfect day.
Yeah, that was really nice right now.
All right, we're coming up on the world famous Screamin' Sal. One of my all-time favorite people on the planet. I got a short list and he's on it. Actually, I got a pretty long list, but we won't tell him that. Had a lot of fun with this guy over the years. One of my fellow KLR guys. I thought he was leaving the KLR community a couple times, but he keeps coming back. Always fun to have him on an adventure. Alright, today is a great day. I got Sal, David, Josh, Tim, Ian, and Tom. So we got a good group today. We're just dropping down into Anza, getting ready to head up to Coyote Canyon. And I'm sweeping. Slow down a little bit. Take this at KLR 650 speeds.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
I don't feel like a restricted area. What? Well, this is the road. They just don't want you going on the main road there.
Hey, there's 4 more. Just you 2? All right, cool. Thanks.
You couldn't get the smile off my face.
Shut up. Wah, wah, wah.
I'm following him and I get stuck in his grooves. Like go down to like 5 fucking PSI or something.
Hey, I'm at 21 on a KLR.
That's badass. I got 12 and 18.
You know, it won't make that much of a difference on this bike. I'd rather not get a pinch flat and suffer a little bit. My forearms needed a workout anyway.
Yeah, I got way too much practice.
Okay.
Yeah, see, this is the track I'm used to.
Is it? Here comes Sal. Kind of a tough section right here. Sorry for the heavy breathing. Making it look easy. Yeah. Nice.
It is fucking nail. Well, let the bike mount. Right? Yeah. It is easy to get it out.
We let a beta hang out with us today.
Ready?
All set. All right, my turn. Got to be